everyone, in this video we are going to go through how to style the list symbols. So the list symbols includes the dots and the numbers. So here we've got two UL lists representing unordered lists, and here we've got two OL lists representing ordered lists. So what we've done is that we've applied a class name to each of them. So the first one A, second one B, third one C, and the fourth one D. So we're going to go to style.css, and each of them would have their own style. So the first two we have UL, representing unordered lists, and then dot, the class name. So the first one, class name A, second one, class name B. And we do the same for the last two as well. So two OL, and then dot, the class name, C and D. So we're going to have list style type. So the first one was circle, second one was square, third one was upper Roman, and the fourth one was lower alpha. So if we save that, so this is what it looked like beforehand. So now if we run it, it will look like that.